students in the
principals, vice principal, mami, osasing amadi tibinibay now singbo mahi thakta tamjariba binasna ita puje. Masi na naza ito si education habsi kari no. Education haba sila akoina osasing ka tapire ba mayam se. Action oya to kanda education mo ra kadawne ba. Education mo oya mo na da parents are chhatra amadi osasing ni mathau yam sa ko le ri ba. Adubo masigi samajtadi akoi education je yamna wale ba. Paramdi osasing jina private thabak leitraga private school jine tama ko. Chhatra jina mai pasagi na ba khalaga atopa haji education je oina mo na yamna awaba mo ore ba. Adagi osasing jina chhatra jinju pharame yamna yam phajana ta asu chhatra jine lokshan bi da ba haida. Ado like ta kata na atopa education am je ko. Atopa form de sports ki lam do jo game sports sila adum chat pe ai ado akhoi sadi like ta oi da di oi ro yan adum atopa hadi like ta ba to ki ba gumba adagi imung nang ba dagi like ta mangam da na education je la ta gumba aduga akhoi di atopa param dari mi education ha jo ko like ta tam na activity adagi mi di Microsoft ki thabak taw na ko da phone sa na chhatra je pi gai de ho ra dom education technology jang wang re ba akhoi study ke dare manipur je di education minister hai masagi da mi gi ro khabi dire ba ma di mi khabi dire masagi ho khan da ma di corruption paisa la da ba dum yeng ra le ba ana akhoi aina aro ba hajani ba di tami ba hero akhoi sing je ko punna lai tami da ko oja je ga interact ba da to wi ra ga akhoi na tonggi yumbi oina akhoi education je sing na hoi kita ga di manipur da ngasi thoi ba irang lan tori ba mayam je roi ma ko ka ne na iya thajaw tham je si ha ga election jare.
That was Alvinanas representing the Candidate House. Manijon Class 10B from Pakamba House.
Good morning everyone. Myself, Naramani Thon of 10th Standard. On this special occasion, today I am going to talk about a topic. Our topic is artificial intelligence. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is an AI. AI is in modern days. Artificial intelligence. In this new generation, artificial intelligence has helped us out in many ways, like education, making our daily work easier, and jobs. For example, let's take in education. During pandemic COVID-19, we have done online classes through WhatsApps and other apps of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has helped out in many ways, like giving works, like typing essays. It make we say write an essay about environment. Artificial intelligence can make it in like very quickly, easily, and saving our time. Artificial intelligence, its demerits are many, so we have to be careful about the demerits about it. In social media, we often see the impact of artificial intelligence, like they are saying due to artificial intelligence, the human race is going to be extinct, like those. But we don't know if it's real or not. So artificial intelligence is a very interesting program developed by human beings. About it, so artificial intelligence help human in our daily basis, in works like job and everything, etc., etc. In conclusion, I like to add that artificial intelligence must be used carefully, not taking it lightly that it's just a computer. It's not just a computer, but it is that artificial intelligence can be dangerous. Artificial intelligence help in many ways, so while using the artificial intelligence, so we can be careful about the impact of it, and that's it. Thank you, everyone.
Well then, that was MANIPUR representing Pakama House. Next, we have Angela of class 10A representing Pakama House.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. First of all, I pay my respect to Principal Sir and all my beloved teachers assembled here. Once again, good morning to all the audience. My name is Angela and I'm from Pakangba House. Today, I'm going to talk about effects of mobile phone on students' life. Imagine that mobile phone didn't exist in today's world. What we are going to do, we will not be able to make question and answers, and often we search question and answer to Google or an AI. But if mobile phones didn't exist, we would not be able to do that. We search about every aspect in our life, like technology, question and answer, speech, and these functions they go also. So, effects of mobile phone students' life. In students' life, mobile is like a heart to them. They cannot live without mobile phones. Not just students, but all of the toddlers, kids, children nowadays. And the effect is that they are getting addicted to them. They are getting addicted and they are not be able to focus on studies and time management. They often lack in time management also. During exams, we often get anxiety and tension about what we are going to do. But we didn't mind watching mobile phones during the time of studies. So it is a lack of time management and focus. This is one of the effects of students. This is one of the effects of mobile phones on students' life. And also, what I want to highlight is that mobile phone is like a drug. If you are getting addicted, then you are addicted. You cannot change that fact. And mobile phones, you can use it in also different manner. That is in good way. We can use mobile phones listening to piano while doing our journaling, writing diaries, and communicating ourselves with friends, family. And because of this mobile phone, teenagers nowadays didn't spend much time with families. This is one of the problems they lead to depression. This is all I want to say. So please do not get addicted to mobile. All this assembled here, please, I wanted to remind you this all. This is all I want to say. Thank you so much.